In this video, I will show you how to access Telegram app on the computer. First, we need to open Web for Telegram site in the browser. And next, we need to scan the Telegram QR code on the web from our Telegram app on the phone. Telegram website link is added below in video description section. To scan the Telegram app QR code, we need to open the phone Telegram app. Once we open Telegram app, we need to click this hamburger menu icon. And from the list of options, we need to select Settings tab. And in the Settings screen, we need to select Devices tab. And in this Devices screen, we need to click this Link Desktop Device button. Now we need to scan the Telegram QR code that is visible on the computer. And done, Telegram chat will be opened in the computer instantly. We can chat with friends on web Telegram site, just like we do on the mobile. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.